I'd like to talk to you now about filtering data. We've done the sorting where we can alphabetize or sort by multiple sets of data. Let's learn a little bit about filtering now. So let's say we choose our data, okay, and then we just go here to the Sort and Filter tab, and we click Filter. Now you'll notice once we do this filtering step, we get these filters right here. And so we can do several things. We can sort Z to A, and you'll notice I made a little mistake here. Um, it did not sort the top. Let me do that again. That doesn't really. Z to A. There we go. So we have Z to A, but they didn't put Cassius Clay's name in the right spot, and that is because of where I put the filter. So I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to clear the filter. Now I'm going to select all of my data, including the headers. And now you'll see that it will sort starting at the row underneath where the filter is. Okay, so over here I can sort. Let's do largest to smallest. So we've got that. I could, if I had any colors in here, I could sort by color. So that's one thing to think of. If you had things highlighted, it would sort it by color. Over here I want to show you something like obviously we have the A to Z and there that is. What I wanted to point out is you also have this part on the filtering, and that is that let's say I just wanted to see the people whose last names start with T. So I would mouse over text filters, go to begins with, and type in T. Press OK. And so I quickly get to see just the data I'm looking for, just the people I'm looking for. Now it didn't get rid of those other people, it's just filtering it. So it's letting me see what I need to see. So I can uncheck this and it brings everybody back. Okay, and that same thing is here. If you go to number filters, you can do the search here of something that equals, does not equal, something that's greater than, less than, between two numbers, top 10, so on. Okay, and then of course we have custom filters, and so you can put in whatever you want, experiment with that. But I just wanted to show you. Um, get rid of that. I just wanted to show you how to filter. And don't forget, you can always do undo.